Good evening, friends. Today in this video, I want to show you how the equation of the trajectory of a projectile can be written as y is equal to x tan theta into 1 minus x by r. And I want to show you how this equation has come. So basically, the original equation of the projectile is like this, what we call it, x tan theta multiply minus gx square by 2u square cos square theta. So this is very important. All of you must remember this equation. And now from this equation, I am going to derive this, where r is the range of the projectile. I want all of you to remember range is u square sine 2 theta by g. So this is the range of the projectile. Or you can write this as 2 ux uy divided by g. This is another way of writing the equation of the project, writing the range of the projectile. And now we are going to get this equation using these concepts. And now it is pretty simple. Now what I'm going to do is I'll take this equation and take x tan theta as common. So if I take x tan theta as common, so in the first thing it will be 1, and this part will be 1. If I take x tan theta as common, this is 1 minus, you have gx square. Since x tan theta is not there, I'm going to divide with x tan theta this in this part. Okay. So gx square by 2u square cos square theta. So you have x tan theta will be dividing this. So this is based on the concept. If someone is having the confusion, it's like very simple. If I have something like a minus b, if I take a as common, I can write it as 1 minus b by a. This is what I have done. So instead of a, I have x tan theta here that I have taken common. And now here this x and this x is gone. And now here this tan theta, I can write it as sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta for you. And this cos theta, 1 cos theta is gone. So what is left is 2 cos theta sin theta, 2 cos theta sin theta, 2 sin theta cos theta, right? That is sin 2 theta. So here this I can write very well as y is equal to x tan theta and 1 minus, so I'm left with gx on the top divided by, now you watch in the denominator, it is 2u square. I have written tan theta as sin theta by cos theta, and 1 cos theta I cancel here. So I'm left with 2u square sin theta cos theta in the denominator. Right. So what is this part? That is 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So you are seeing this equation here very well. So that is x tan theta multiplied by 1 minus, you have gx by u square sin 2 theta. You can pause the video. If you want to make a note, you can make a note. This is what you have. And now I'll clear this. I'm clearing this. And now we are left with y is equal to x tan theta multiplied by 1 minus gx by u square sin 2 theta. This is what I'm left with. And now what is this one? U square sin 2 theta divided by g, but it is in the reciprocal form. And I told you the range of the projectile is u square sin 2 theta by g. So that I can substitute. This is 1 by r is nothing but g by u square sin 2 theta. So I can substitute here. Instead of this entire time, I can substitute or 1 by r here, right? So y becomes x tan theta multiplied by 1 minus x by r. This is a very important result. All of you remember. So based on this, we are solving a problem now. So this is the equation, and with this I solved already. I think I solved the problem already. That is regarding a projectile motion. Any variable point on the trajectory, if you have the problem, you can solve based on this. Is there many problems which you can solve based on this? The problem goes like this. So it is something like this problem. right? I think this I solved in the earlier video itself, if I remember correctly. So it goes like this. This is the projectile. This is the trajectory of the projectile. You choose any general point P on the projectile, and then you join the line from the point where the projectile has originated, and you join this point with the point where the projectile drops finally, and the point where it completes the journey. And now let us say this angle is alpha and this angle is beta, and the angle at which the projectile is projected is theta. Then for any point P, on the trajectory of the projectile, you can have the result tan alpha plus tan beta is equal to tan theta. So it's like this. So that this one I have proved in another video that you can see. And thank you all. This result can be proved by using the equation y is equal to x tan theta multiplied by 1 minus x by r. So this is the equation what we use to solve this problem. This video is available is somewhere in this playlist itself. Yeah, thank you all. Thanks for watching the video. And please do like, subscribe, and share. Thank you all.